Replacing washing machine shutoff valves. First, you want to turn off your main water supply. Mine's in my basement towards the front of my house. I have two switches, so I'm going to turn them both off to be safe. Then you want to go to your kitchen and drain the water that's left in the pipe. These are the two that I'm replacing. They go to my washing machine. So what you want is threaded boiler drain valves. They have 1/2 inch and 3/4 inch. Then you want 2 wrenches. And Teflon tape. So you want to unscrew the old spouts to the left. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. You're going to need a bucket to catch the water that's left in the pipe. So this blue-green patina on the copper pipes is a form of corrosion. When the metal pipe is exposed to water and air, copper oxide builds up. This is usually not a major concern unless it becomes thick and widespread, indicating potential corrosion issues on your pipe. So you want to take a brush and you're going to brush off that blue-green patina. You want to clean it up. So I'm using a 1/2 inch, but I did buy 3/4 inch too. And then you want Teflon tape or plumber's tape. This is used to create a tight seal between threads, preventing leaks of water. And you want to wrap it clockwise, 3 to 4 turns. And you can hand screw this one in as tight as you can, and then use the wrenches. So now you go back down and you turn on the water. Now you want to check and see if there's any leaks. So I had a little drip here on the hot side. So I reapplied the Teflon tape. Make sure it goes into the threads. So there's no leaks. Now I found a red knob, so I changed the hot knob to red. That's it. It's a very easy job. Just make sure you turn your water off when you're redoing this.